Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to deposit cash into Monzo. There are basically two ways to do this, and the first option is at the PayPoint. You'll need to go to a shop with the PayPoint logo, then tell them you'd like to pay cash into your Monzo account and how much. Give them your card and the cash. Now they'll swipe your card into their device and give it back with a receipt. In this scenario, your deposit will take around 10 minutes to show in your account. The second option is to go to a post office. Go to any post office and then tell them you'd like to pay cash into your Monzo account and also how much. Then give them the cash and they'll ask you to insert your card into the card reader and follow the instructions on the screen. You won't need to enter your PIN. Your deposit should appear in your account immediately. When it comes to the charges, you will be charged about £1 for each deposit. So these are the two options if you'd like to deposit cash into Monzo. If you found this helpful, do let us know, and thanks for watching.